Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, we will do some decoration. So if I go to my website, which I have already created, so this is the gradient which we wanted, like a gray color gradient. And these are the three boxes which I want to create. So this is a kind of fun element like a decoration. So it looks good. Okay. So this is what we wanted for our website. So for that, let's go to VS Code, and inside, as you can see, we have created two sections. This is the first section for header and navigation, and this is the second section for hero section. Okay, so but these two sections are being wrapped in the main div. So this is our main div. So let's give a class of gradient here. So bg gradient to top right. Okay, so it will start from bottom to top right, and the color which we required is from white, okay, to gray, let's say 200. Okay, save this. If I go to my website now, as you can see, we are getting this gradient from bottom. You can see this is white and this is gray. Okay, now let's give this, create this boxes. Okay, so for that, here after this main div, I will create a div, and inside we will create three divs. Okay, so let me duplicate this, and here we will need to give class. Okay, so class that is going to be, first let's give the width of 56 and height of 56, and then let's give the color. Okay, so bg let's say red 100. Okay, if I save this, here it is, you can see a red color, but we need to fix the position. We need to give absolute class to make this position correct. So now it is 100. Let me give 500. Okay, it's too red. Okay, let's copy this, and we will change the color to green. This is purple. Save this. Okay, now we have three boxes of red, green, purple. Okay, but we wanted something like this, very subtle and very light in color. So what we can do is, here we can give the gradient. Okay, so bg gradient to bottom right. Okay, and the bg color should be red. First one is red. Sorry, it starts from here, mistake. So from red 100 to red 200. Okay, let me save this, go back. So now this is very light color. This is looking good. Same thing here also, bg gradient to uh, bottom right, and from green it's 100. Okay, and then to green, let's say 200. Okay, save this, go back. Now this is also light from green. Okay, here the spelling is wrong. So now this is light green. Again, the same thing. So I'll copy and I'll just change the color to purple, because typing is sometimes very boring. So purple, from purple to purple 200. Save this, go back. So now this is very light purple. Now we will fix the positioning. Okay, so for that, here I will do absolute. Same thing for all the three boxes. Absolute, absolute, absolute. Okay, now as you can see, everything is okay, but these boxes are in the same place. So here I need to go for top, let's say top 5. Okay, the red has come down. Now here I'll do left 10 and top 10. Save this. Good it is. Now left, let's say 20, and top, let's say 0. Okay, now it is looking better. Now we need to give some opacity because it is still more darker. Okay, as you can see, this is lighter and this is too dark. So opacity will be 40. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, save this. Now we can see the opacity has gone down and it is looking much better, but our logo is not seen properly. So for that, here I need to, in the parent div, I will add a class which is going to be absolute top 5 and left 5. Okay, save this, go back. Still it is not visible. So what's the problem? I think in the logo we need the Z index because it is going behind the squares. So where is our logo? So this is our logo, and here we can add the Z index. Maybe I can add it in the span. Z index can be 30. No, let me cut this, paste it here in the A tag. Okay, now we can see that the logo is coming up. Okay, so we need to give Z index on this A tag. This is our logo. Okay, let me close this section. So these are the two sections, and now this is our left decoration. So let's give the name as comment as left square decoration, and let's comment. So this was our left side decoration, and this was the gradient to overall body structure. And if the content increase, this gradient will also increase. So this was the fun element, and this was the decoration which I wanted to show you. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.